Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In this video, let me show you how to enable non-blinking cursor in text fields on your iPhone. So let's open settings and you want to scroll to section accessibility. Now let's go to motion under vision section. And here you will find option prefer non-blinking cursor. You want to enable this, and this setting stops a vertical insertion bar from flashing that provides you solid line, which helps reduce any kind of distractions while you type. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.